friends, welcome back to my channel Swati Verma Styles. So I have created this series where I'm going to share with you my favorite products in makeup and hair which are life-changing and which are must-haves. So I named this series as a must-have series, and to start off I'm going to show you in this video a must-have accessory or a must-have tool for your hair, and which is none other than this Hot Tools signature series, which is like a hot brush. So it is a one-step blowout styler that I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to actually do my hair in front of you so that you know how to use it, and we're going to discuss the positives and negatives of it. So let's just get started. And before getting started with the video, do subscribe to my channel Swati Verma Styles to support me, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, do like, share and comment on this video. So let's get started. So you can clearly see how frizzy my hair is. After I washed my hair, I already used this Moroccan oil hair serum, and I just can't do without it, especially for people who have like very frizzy hair like mine, color treated hair. You have done rebonding at some time and everything, so it really helps you. So I always use it on damp hair, because if you use it on dry hair, then it kind of creates a very oily look. So after my hair have air dried, then I use this Aveda Damage Remedy. So this is like a heat protectant cream, and I take, this is very good. So I take very small amount of it, like this, a pea size kind of a thing, and so you just rub it on your hand and then roll your fingers through your hair, and then you can comb your hair once again. So there are two ways to do it. One is when you have time and you can do your hair section by section properly, so it looks like a very professional blowout. Or if you don't have time and you just not very happy with how your hair looks and you have like 5 or 10 minutes, so in that case what you do is, I'll show you, you just use it like very casually on your hair, so it doesn't look like this bad, it looks manageable, it looks like averagely good. But that's a very good part of this product, because it's not always that you have a lot of time at hand. There's so many times when you're in a hurry, so you need something that can actually give you a kind of quick fix up. So it does the job pretty well. So let me do that for you first. So it will hardly take 5 minutes or so. So after we have primed our hair, so it has of course 3 settings, cool, medium and high. So I use it on high. So that's the cool, that's medium, and that's a high. So this, as I told you, that I'm going to try and do it within 5 or 10 minutes. So which is like a quick fix when you are in a hurry. So what you do is, you just brush your hair like a comb, and because it is a heated brush, so it is going to set your hair through the course. Now you can see I've not even spent 5 minutes on this tool, and so when I'm in a hurry I do this. So you can see the difference. This side looks so frizzy, and even if you look at the crown, so this looks more settled down, and if you look at the hair which is falling, so you can see this looks so frizzy, undone, whereas this one looks a little bit polished. And it is like, okay, when you don't have time, and even like 3 minutes with this one and you're good to go. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to do this side as well and show you. So I think this took less than 5 minutes for this length of hair, and for I have extremely frizzy and heavy hair, thick hair. So I mean, it has done a great job. So this was when you have like less time and you want to kind of tame your hair. So this is a very good appliance to do that, because you know, when you're going to office or when you're going, you know, abruptly somewhere, you can actually use this and tame your hair, and you look, you know, proper. And so I really love this product. And now I'm going to show you how we can actually give some time to it, and then it gives you a very professional blowout. So the first step that I do, of course, is prime my hair, and then I also kind of quickly, first of all, rush it, you know, run it through my entire hair so that the frizz is calmed and it kind of, the hair is tamed to a level. So now I'm going to use a clip and divide my hairs in sections and try and do a little, you know, professional kind of a blowout. So we'll do that. For that, we'll divide our hairs into sections and then we'll do it. Also, when you have wet hair and you want to dry them, so what you can do is, this has a button here, so you can press it down, remove this part here, and then you can use it as a dryer also. Yes. And then you can fix it up. So now I'm going to use it on this section of my hair. So before I switch it on, so how you have to do it is, just run your hair like this, put them like this, tightly kind of roll them down. So once again, I'll show you. Hold your hair section, put the comb here, roll your hair, let them free here, push it down, and then opposite direction. So now I'll switch it on and do it. And you're done. And I think it took me less than 10 minutes, even when I took my hair section by section, to achieve this kind of a tamed look. And if you want to achieve a look where your hair looks more straight, then you can further divide your hair into, you know, lesser sections and give more time to it. But I think this is what I like. I don't want like a poker straight look. I want little bit of bounce in my hair, little bit of that natural wave falling on my face. So this is what I like. I've never liked poker straight hair. So if you like that, you can achieve that as well. So this for me is a lifesaver, because if your hair are good, your entire look changes. And I showed you two different ways how to do it. Once you don't have time, you can just rush it through your hair and achieve a tamed look. And when you have time, you can just divide in sections and do it. And even when we are talking about time consumption, then also it takes like, you know, just 10 minutes, and my hair are pretty long and very thick, like proper thick frizzy hair, but it does the job greatly. So now let's just discuss a few positives and negatives of this. So when you talk about the positive, of course, your hand doesn't get burned, because you know, you can actually touch the top of it when you are using this. And another benefit of it is that you don't need a separate dryer for it. You can just kind of remove it and you can just use it as a dryer. I use it all the time as a dryer, and honestly, I don't see any negatives of this as of now, because this product has everything that a girl needs. So yeah, thumbs up. Then, as it says that the size of this brush is 30% smaller versus the original size. So because this is the Hot Tool Signature series, and the smaller size, And why the smaller size is better, I'll tell you, because it gives you more precision. What happens when it is smaller, the diameter of this is small, so it helps you tame these flyaways. So these hairs here, you can actually use it, but if it is thick, so it will be tough to kind of go on these hairs and even to lift your roots. So you can actually also create a bounce when the dial is smaller. So that's why it is a better version of this particular gadget. So that's it guys for this video and this wonderful product that has actually changed my hair game forever. And I can't imagine my life without this product now, and when I'm traveling or whatever, I'm definitely carrying this with me. And yeah, and I think for all those girls who have frizzy hair like mine and are always struggling with their hair and using pressing irons and everything, which is, you know, takes so much time, and it you know, our hands get burned off with it. I mean, you all know, we've all faced that in our life. So I think you need to invest in this product and change your hair game forever. Also, if this is not available in your country, you can look for similar options. I know Revlon hairbrush is also equally good. Of course, this is better than that, but Revlon can also do the job pretty well if you don't have access to it in your country. And it is available in Canada and US, and if you have someone traveling from here, or if you get across to any websites which deliver to your country from here, you can actually look at them. Or so Revlon one I know is available everywhere mostly, but this one I'm not sure if it's available in your country or not. But this one is the best in hair tool that I could actually you know, get hold of. And I've stopped using pressing irons and those curlers and everything, so because this does the job so well. And I don't use any hairspray after it, because what happens when you use a hairspray, then your hair gets to get oily after, you know, 2 or 3 days, and then you have to wash and then you have to style again. So that means more heat damage to your hair. So I don't use any hairspray. I keep it like that, and you know, because I any which ways like a natural look to my hair. So then they don't get very oily just after 2 or 3 days. So I wash my hair after 5 days now, and so that I don't use a lot of heat on my product. So do let me know if this video was useful for you, and how did you find this product, and how did you find this transformation from like a frizzy head to this, you know, well-tamed hair. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, Swati Verma Styles. Like this video, comment your give me your lovely comments, and stay tuned for more content. Till then, stay happy, stay stylish. Bye bye.